Aircraft on ground solved with Sensos Sync for aviation. Aircraft on ground events not only cost precious time and money, they also pose many more challenges, like minimizing downtime due to lost or damaged parts, optimizing maintenance processes, repair and overhaul, ensuring visibility and security for valuable equipment and cargo, and reducing inventory and overall costs. Sensos offers a suite of solutions tailored to address exactly those unique challenges. Real-time tracking and monitoring the location and condition of aircraft equipment and ULDs. Use data analytics to identify potential maintenance issues and optimize maintenance schedules. Gain end-to-end visibility into the movement of parts and equipment, reducing the risks of delays and disruptions. Ensure the security of valuable assets with temper detection and location alerts. Our innovative cloud-based platform, Sync, works in tandem with our groundbreaking cellular labels to provide real-time visibility into shipment location, condition, and environmental data. We have created the world's first credit card-sized globally connected cellular label. It's so easy to use. Just stick and go. No need for special infrastructure. It provides real-time location, temperature, tilt and shock monitoring, temper detection for enhanced security and enhanced customer trust. And the cherry on top? You don't need to recharge it. Sync, your dedicated control tower platform, filters out the noise, displaying only essential alerts for logistics teams. Sync is designed for easy onboarding and fast ROI. It allows you to track your shipment in real time through our user-friendly platform. Get instant alerts in case of delays, deviations, tempering, damages, and changes. Making data-driven decisions with real-time alerts for critical events. Gain valuable data insights to optimize your supply chain and make strategic business decisions. Empower your logistics teams with Sensor Sync and gain real-time proof of delivery when your package arrives safely at the AOG site. The part is used by the technicians, and the faulty part and spares are placed in the same box and shipped to the MRO for service. Sensos Sync automatically identifies that another leg of the journey has started, supporting the shipment on its journey to the MRO and back to the OEM. By leveraging Sensos, aviation companies can improve operational efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. AOG solved with Sensos Sync for aviation.